Okay, so here we've got an error message of 110 because the print ribbon is out, and basically this means that there's no print ribbon in the printer. Okay, so you'll get a print ribbon inside your box when you buy your DS. Okay, you'll either get a color or a monochrome. We've got the color because it says YMCKT, so meaning that it's color. And in the box, we get the color ribbon, you get a cleaning card, and you get a cleaning sleeve, okay? And there are some really nice instructions in the beginning. So these are all nice directions for you to do, okay? So a color ribbon, you can print 500 prints with this color ribbon, and with the monochrome, you can print 1,000, okay? So what I want to do is that the first thing I want you to do is open the print ribbon cover, okay? And then I want you to remove the print ribbon cartridge, okay? So you just remove it like that, easily, and latch onto it, okay? So I'm just going to move this out the way so I can show you. Okay, so as you can see, it's color coded. Here's the purple spool and the silver spool, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to take out the ribbon, okay, and place it down, move that away, okay. So place it facing up so it's easier for you to place the ribbon onto the spindles, okay. So this is your spindles, right, okay, so you've got the purple spindle, which matches the purple spool, okay, so they're color coded, right, and the silver spool you match with the silver spindle, okay. So what I want you to do is basically you have to be quite aggressive with it. You have to place it on and you just lock it in. You place it on, lock it in. Okay, so what you can do now is move this anti-clockwise, okay, so the silver spindle, until it's no longer stretched, okay, so until it's taut. Then I want you to add your cleaning roller or cleaning sleeve, okay. So here you can see there's a latch that goes up and down, and what I want you to do is basically you add it on here, okay. So you add the sleeve on. What I want you to do is to remove the sleeve now, so just remove it like that. As you can see, it's really sticky, and this is really important for your cards when you put them through your printer, that all the oils and the dirt that go onto the card are taken off, okay, while you go through the printer, so your card is clean when it comes out. So now what I want you to do is place it back into your printer, okay, slide it back in, and lodge it into those corners where it's taut, and then you can close your printer cover, okay, until you hear a click. And then what I want you to do is press the user button, okay. So now